Today's video is dedicated to those of us who are embracing the wisdom that comes with age. We're uncovering the top 5 amazing anti-aging drinks that can help you radiate beauty from the inside out. So, let's dive into the fountain of youth and discover these fantastic elixirs. Kicking off our list at number 5 is a drink that's not just refreshing but also a powerhouse of skin-loving nutrients, the Glow Berry Infusion. Combine a mix of berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, with a splash of pomegranate juice and a hint of mint. This antioxidant-rich blend helps fight free radicals, promoting youthful and radiant skin. Let's drink to looking as vibrant as we feel. Next up at number 4, we have a hydrating elixir that's as delicious as it is beneficial, the hyaluronic citrus splash. Mix freshly squeezed citrus juices, think oranges, lemons, and limes, with a teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. This drink not only boosts collagen production but also keeps your skin plump and moisturized, helping to minimize the appearance of fine lines. Cheers to a naturally hydrated complexion. Now, at number 3, we're indulging in a drink that's been cherished for centuries for its anti-aging properties, the green tea. Brew a cup of green tea, add a squeeze of lemon, touch of honey, and a pinch of matcha powder. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, this elixir helps protect your skin from damage and keeps it looking youthful. Here's to the ageless power of green tea. Coming in at number 2 is a smoothie that not only satisfies your taste buds but also supports your skin's elasticity, the Avocado Dream Smoothie. Blend together ripe avocado, banana, a handful of spinach, and a splash of coconut water. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that nourish your skin, giving it a radiant and supple appearance. Get ready to glow with this delicious concoction. And now, the drink that takes the top spot on our anti-aging list, the Turmeric Beauty Tonic. Combine turmeric, ginger, a pinch of black pepper, and warm water to create a soothing and anti-inflammatory elixir. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-aging properties, helping to reduce inflammation and promote a youthful complexion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty and wellness, and let us know in the comments which drink you're excited to try. Until next time, sip wisely and radiate that timeless beauty. Cheers!